Hello students, this is a BK chapter 9 video 1. Students, here I am going to start very important chapter. Chapter number 9, Final Accounts of a Proprietary Concern. In this chapter, you will learn meaning and objectives and importance of final accounts, preparation of trading account, preparation of profit and loss account, preparation of balance sheet. Accounting is considered as a scientific approach in maintaining a record of business transactions. It provides a systematic accounting record to all on the financial status of the enterprise. No sooner a business transaction takes place, the accounting process starts. The process is completed by the drafting the final accounts. Students, final accounts are the accounts which are prepared at the end of a financial year. It gives the idea of the financial position of the business to the owners, management, or other interested parties. Financial statements are primarily recorded in a journal, then transferred to a ledger, and thereafter the final account is prepared. So students, very important that you will see here how to prepare final account. Businessmen, they are interested to earn profit. What is the main aim of business? Earn profit. So how to calculate that profit or loss? So in accounting, we have to prepare final accounts to find out net profit or loss and to find out financial position. So how to prepare that final account you will learn in this chapter. So students, here see meaning of final accounts. The primary aim of accounting is assessment of business performance for the benefit of all stakeholders such as owners, employees, suppliers, customers, financiers, etc., which will also help them to form their opinions on the financial position of their business concerns. For this purpose, various accounting reports are prepared in the form of final accounts at the end of every financial year. When final account prepares at the end of every financial year. In brief, final accounts are financial statements that validate and explain working results and financial status for a specific period of time on a particular date. It is a set of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Final accounts included trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Balancing figure of trading account is gross profit or gross loss. Means here in trading account we don't get actual profit and actual loss. We get here gross profit and gross loss. In case of profit and loss account, the balancing figure is net profit or net loss. To find net profit or net loss, students, in accounting we have to prepare profit and loss account. Whereas balance sheet shows financial position of assets and liabilities at a given period of time. The basic objectives of final accounts is to determine gross profit, gross loss and net profit or net loss of the business during the financial year. Final accounts shows the true and correct financial position of business. It informs the operating results and exact financial position of the business to the stakeholders to take financial decisions. It enables to control financial activities of business effectively. Now students, what is the importance of final accounts? Final accounts are the basis on which management or businessmen decides business policies and take financial decisions. Final accounts gives a true picture of the financial status of business for the financial year. Final accounts are useful for accurate accounting records. Transparency in business dealing are possible due to financial statements. Final accounts help to get a clear breakup of accounts payable to government as various taxes, example income tax, GST, etc. It is a mandatory requirement to maintain records of financial status of any business establishment. Now students, here we will see how to prepare final accounts. Before that, very important that this year you have final accounts of proprietary concern. Now proprietary concern means what? Proprietary concern means sole trading concern. Sole proprietorship concern is the simplest business form of organization. Sole trading concern means proprietary concern means sole trader. It is owned, managed and controlled by one person. That's why it is called sole trader, sole trading concern. Okay. So this year you have how to prepare final accounts of sole trading concern or proprietorship. Okay. Every time a business transaction takes place, the detail of it is made in primary books. These entries are then posted to the ledger. At the end of a financial year, the ledger accounts are balanced and closing balance of each ledger account is determined. Already you know. There may be a debit or credit balance. With the help of all these balances, a trial balance is prepared. So students, first we prepare journal, then ledger and then trial balance. This in turn helps in preparing trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. With the help of trial balance, students, in final accounts, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheets are prepared, okay, which is known as final accounts. This accounting process can be represented as follows. See, first business transactions, enter in journal entries, transfer to ledger posting, close the ledger account, balancing the ledger, and then preparation of trial balance. And with the help of trial balance only, we can prepare final accounts at the end of every year. Okay. Now see, final accounts include manufacturing accounts, trading account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, and balance sheet. But this year only you have trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Okay. Now students, very important that first trading account. Trading account means what and how to prepare trading account. Trading account is an account which gives the overall preview of all trading activities. The expenses and losses relating to trading activities are debited to this account, and all outward movements of goods and stock of goods at the end of the every year are recorded to the credit side of this account. Debit side of trading account includes activities such as opening stock, purchases, and all direct expenses, example wages, freight, carriage inward, coal, gas, fuel, water, manufacturing or direct expenses. Similarly, credit side of trading account includes closing stock, sales, less return means sales return, any kind of goods that is used for promotions as free sample, goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal reason, etc. Therefore, it is said trading account is prepared to ascertain gross profit or loss for a given period of time. When there is credit balance, it is referred to as gross profit, and when there is debit balance, it referred to gross loss, which is transferred to profit and loss account. Trading account is a nominal account. Now students, what is given here, we will see the format and we'll see how to prepare trading account. That is very important. See, what is given, trading account is nominal account. It's a nominal account. And that's why debit side all expenses and credit side all incomes. Okay, what are the rules of nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Now how to prepare in the books of trading account for the year ended 31st March and 2016, 2016, 17, whatever. Now debit side what will come? Direct expenses means expenses related to purchases. And credit side what will come? Direct income. Now keep in mind, trading account means debit side direct expenses related to factory or purchases. And credit side direct income. Now direct income means what? What is the main important source of income? Sales. And that's why sales comes in trading account. And what is the direct expenses? Purchases. Okay. Now how to prepare trading account? Here starting, beginning, opening stock, purchase, less purchase return, direct expenses, freight and carriage, custom duty, wages, coal, gas, fuel, etc. Royalties. Now royalty means what? Royalty is payable by a user to the owner of the property or something on which an owner has some special rights. Now for example, businessman has to pay royalty to mine owner for using coal. Now here it is given to coal, gas, fuel. So if business requires coal, then how to get coal? So businessman has to pay to mine owner for using their rights. It is called royalty. Then factory expenses. See here sales return, goods distributed as free sample, goods taken by proprietor. Okay. Goods lost by fire. These all will come here. Then closing stock. Now if income side is more, then you will get difference here. That difference means gross profit. And if expenses are more, then closing balance you will get here. That is gross loss. Okay. Important terms of trading account. Stock means what? Goods that are unsold are called stock. Now whatever beginning of the year it is opening stock, and at the end of the year it is called closing stock. If closing stock market price or cost price given, then you have to take whichever is less. Okay. Closing stock is credited to the trading account. It is also recorded on the asset side of balance sheet. Purchases means purchase of goods on the basis of cash or credit, but purchases means what? Not purchase of asset, only purchase of goods. And sales also. Sale of goods, not sale of asset, keep in mind. And direct expenses means are those expenses which are incurred for purchase of goods, production of goods and purchase expenses. All nominal accounts, example wages, manufacturing expenses, factory lighting, coal, gas, fuel, water, dog dues, cash inward, etc. Okay. Now see the format once again and see how to prepare trading account and keep practice of this format. Okay. Now see how to prepare trading account. Here one example given, wages. Now wages and see the format here, all balances given. Okay. And how to prepare trading account? Trading account of Sangeeta Traders for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay. Now wages where will come? Expenses, debit side. Royalties also expenses, debit side. Sales return where will come? Less from sales. Goods withdrawn by Sangeeta means goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal use. Drawings here. Factory rent, debit side. Stock. Now 31st March 2019. It is closing stock. Here it is opening stock is given. Sales. Sales. Purchase return. Manufacturing expenses. Motive power. And freight. Okay. Now like that you have to prepare trading account. Now see profit and loss account. This account is main account of final accounts which gives the final working results of business. It is prepared on the basis of indirect expenses and indirect incomes of the business concern. Profit and loss account is maintained to ascertain net profit or net loss. The debit side of profit and loss account includes all indirect expenses such as office or administrative expenses, financial expenses, selling or distribution expenses, etc. The credit side of profit and loss account includes indirect incomes like commission received, rent received, discount earned, etc. When the credit side of this account is greater than debit side, it is called net profit. And when debit side of this account is greater than credit side, it is called as net loss. Net profit or loss is transferred to capital account. Profit and loss account is a nominal account. Now see the format. Once again, listen properly. Profit and loss account is also nominal account, and that's why debit side all expenses and credit side income. Now debit side which expenses? Indirect expenses. For example, administration expenses, financial expenses, selling and distribution expenses. Okay? And credit side all indirect incomes. Means for example, see sales direct income. Now indirect income, example commission received, discount received, interest received, this okay, miscellaneous income like that. So see the format and please keep practice of this format which will come debit side, which will come in profit and loss account, which balances will come in trading account. Please see it carefully. Okay. See here insurance, salaries, audit fees, depreciation. Now last chapter you studied depreciation. So depreciation on fixed asset. Traveling expenses, advertisement, loss by fire, loss by theft, bad debts, irrecoverable amount from debtors. Commission received, rent received, interest on investment, interest on deposit. Okay. Now if credit side is more, then you will get difference here, that is net profit. If debit side means expenses are more, then you will get difference credit side, that is net loss. And net loss is transferred to capital account. Okay. Or net profit also. If net profit, we have to add in capital. If net loss, then it is deducted from capital. See one example. Here debit balances given and credit balances given. Now students wages, where it will come trading account. Purchases trading. Carriage inward trading. Carriage outward profit and loss. Sales return less from sales. Like that effect you should know. Okay. So keep practice of trading account format and profit and loss account format. Please pay attention on how to prepare format. Okay. See trading account given and profit and loss. Students, you should know that which balances will come trading account debit side, which will come credit side, which will come profit and loss debit side, which will come credit side. Okay. And then how to close. Here that closing balance carried out will not come. So trading account gross profit or gross loss will come, and profit and loss account net profit and net loss will come. Okay. Now very important, balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement showing financial position of a business concern. Balance sheet has no debit or credit side as it is a statement and not an account. Left hand side of balance sheet is liability side and right hand side asset side. Both sides of balance sheet should be of equal amount. A balance sheet shows assets and liabilities of the business. All debit balances of personal and real accounts are shown on the asset side, and all credit balances of personal accounts are shown on liability side. No nominal account will appear in the balance sheet. The balance sheet means what? Financial position of the business. It includes only assets and liabilities. Okay. Now see the format. In the books of Messrs. Whatever name, how to write balance sheet as on 31st March. Liability side capital, add a net profit. If interest on capital, you have to add capital less drawing, less interest on drawings, less net loss. Bank loan, bank overdraft, you know that examples of liabilities. That all will come liability side, and you know different types of assets. that assets will come assets side. Okay, and last, that liabilities total and asset side total both should equal, both should come same amount. Okay, so we have to prepare here trading account. Final account means what? Trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Okay, thank you.